Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a Windows 11 update error code 0x800700b7. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all, going to your settings of your Windows, go to your system, go to your troubleshoot, click on other troubleshooters, run the Windows update. Click on next. After that, close it and close. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that in the search box, type a services, open a services, right click run as administrator. After that, find out a Windows update, open a Windows Update Services and make sure that is selected automatic and click on Start and apply an OK button. After that, close it. After that, I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a third method. The third method is that in the search box type a CMD and open a command prompt, right click run as administrator. Open that. After opening that, type of command is net space stop space crypt svc cryptsvc and press enter. After that, type of command is net space stop space bits bits and press enter. After that, type of command is net space stop space WUAUSERV and press enter. After that, type a command is REN run space C column backslash Windows backslash software distribution space software distribution.old and press enter. After that, type a command is REN run space C column backslash Windows backslash system32 backslash catroot2 space catroot2.old and press enter. After doing this stat, type a command is net space start space crypt svc cryptsvc and press enter. After doing this stat, type a command is net space start space start bits. After doing this stat, type a command is net space start space WUAUSERV and press enter. After that, type a exit and exit the command prompt and restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a fourth method. The fourth method is that in the search box type a CMD, open a command prompt, right click run as administrator. After doing this stat, type a command is dism space slash online space slash cleanup dash image space start component cleanup and press enter. After doing this step, if you are facing this error, then restart your computer, and after restarting your computer you can type this command. After doing this step, close it and restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can go to your cmd, open a command prompt, right click, run as administrator. After that, type a command is sfc space slash scan now and press enter. Now you can see that this system is repair pending, which require reboot to complete it. Now you can see that it's required a restart your computer. So I'm come back after restarting your computer. So restart your computer. Okay guys, after restarting your computer, go to your search box and type a cmd. Open a command prompt, right click, run as administrator. After opening that, type a command is sfc space slash scan now and press enter. Now once again type a sfc space slash scan now. The process will be started and it's required of a few minutes to complete the process. After that, type a command is dism space slash online space slash cleanup dash image space slash restore health and press enter. After completing that, type a exit and exit the command prompt. After doing this step, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer, your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a last method. The last method is that open any browser and type a Windows 11 download. Click on first link. Sorry, Windows 11 download. Click on a download Windows 11. Now click on download now. Click on save button. After that, open it. Click on accept button. After doing this step, click on next button. Select a USB flasher or ISO file. Select a ISO file and click on next button. After that, find out a location to restore it. Click on save button. After that, go it. Now here is a file. Now open it. Open a setup. Click on next button. Now after doing this step, restart your computer, and I am sure that after restarting, now you can see that checking your PC. After completing this process, your computer automatically restart. Now you can see that this is the country midway Windows system requirements. So after completing that, your computer automatically restart, and after restarting that, your error has been resolved. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.